Hi, I'm Dr. Sheikh Guevara Hoxon, and I'm happy to share that I've been a guidance counselor for 26 years now. There are ups and downs like any other career, but I do love my mission to help. Do you want to journey with me to become a guidance counselor, which is one of the most in demand and exciting careers that we have? Here are the important steps. Number one, go for self-assessment. It is very important to know who I am, what do I want in life, and if will I be happy with my future career as a guidance counselor. And part of the self-assessment is knowing your personality, your skills, your interests, and your values. So some of the personality tendencies if you want to become a future guidance counselor is to have empathy, to be compassionate, be open-minded, having the patience, and trustworthy. And for the skills, communication, interpersonal, writing and presentation skills, assessment skills, and program development. In terms of interest, you have to make connections and enjoy socializing with people and various types of groups in different settings. For the values, you have to really value confidentiality, ethics, humanity, and services. For step 2, you have to earn a bachelor's degree in human services, psychology, or a related field is a common starting point. For step 3, you have to pursue a master's degree in guidance and counseling or in counseling is necessary for licensure. For step 4, you have to pass the licensure exam given by the Professional Regulation Commission and be a registered guidance counselor or RGC. For step 5, consider further education like certifications or doctoral degree. And for step 6, continue professional development or CPD. And counseling is a field that requires ongoing learning and development for you to stay updated on the latest research and evidence-based practices. So all the best to you, future registered guidance counselor, and enjoy the vibrant career journey. Thank you.